guys, it's Lonni and I'm back with another video. I am so sorry I've been gone so lately. I have been really stressed and school has really gotten to me. But now I'm on break and I want to come back with a makeup tutorial. So this is a first impressions on majority of the stuff that I have on right now. Some of it isn't because I'm sure some of you all have seen it in the previous makeup tutorials that I've done, and I'm so sorry that this isn't like a full face of first impressions. But you know, I don't want to try everything on the market. There's certain things that I do want to try and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm sorry about that. But this is our first impressions on majority of the makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notifications to know when I post more. And yeah, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, so first off, I have the Morphe 25A palette. These are the shades it comes with. It comes with like a nice set of neutral shades. So I actually want to try the shade Afterlight, which is just this little burnt red shade. Also, if you couldn't tell, my hair is much shorter. So yeah, I really like it. And yeah, so let's take Afterlight and pop that in the like crease area. And if you see me looking this way, my mirror is actually this way. So yeah, I hate that this palette doesn't come with a mirror. It would be perfect if it came with one, but oh well. Just gonna pop that and okay. Hold on. I just want it to be a bit. Okay, let's see if it's working now. Gonna do an update with this first impressions. As you can tell, I haven't been on YouTube for almost a month, and most of you all may or may not know, but I am actually in college. I'm in college for nursing, so nursing is very stressful. It's such a competitive field, and like, I'm not in nursing school yet. You have to go through pre-nursing if you weren't pre-admit, but I didn't know you can get pre-admit, so I have to wait until next semester, fall semester. That's when we fill out our applications and stuff like that. So yeah, I've been really stressed about that. My classes in general too. I'm taking so many hours. And then I'm going to be in summer school as well because I don't want to be behind. So yeah. So that's why I haven't been posting, because I've been so stressed out for school, and it's really gotten to me. So I'm in school, and then I do have a job. So that is adding up, and I haven't been getting enough sleep lately. Like, it's really stressful. But now I'm on spring break, and this break really isn't even a break because I still have work to do for spring break. But yeah, whatever. I think I like how that color looks right now. It's not as pigmented as I want it to be, but it's fine. And next, I'm just going to take the color Radar, which is just like this dark brown right here. So I'm going to take that and pop that on top. But yeah, so I talked to my mom about it, told her how stressed I was and stuff like that, and I'm so nervous because I want to get into nursing school, and since it's so competitive, they only let 160 students in, but there's so many people trying to be nurses in my university. Like, when I talk to people, a lot of people are like, yeah, I'm a nursing major, yada yada yada, and I'm like, oh, it's so stressful. But yeah, I'm trying to go that field and that route, so hopefully I can do that. I'm actually going to take a, wow, I thought this was the flat shader brush. No, a flat shader brush. Oh my gosh, if I can get it out. It's this one. So yeah, like this. And I'm just gonna take Radar again and just pack that in the outer corners. But yeah, but to cope with that stress, I have been watching YouTube a lot more lately. Like, a lot of YouTubers help me with that, so they really don't know, but I've been watching Faye Claire. She's one of my favorites. Jordan Lipscomb, I don't know how to say her last name, but I know she lives in the UK. Adina May, I love her. Raven Elise, I love her. And Zaya. I've been watching Dawn Plays, Typical Player. Who else? Desi Perkins. I've been watching her and her vlogs. So I've been watching a lot of YouTubers, and I've been a little bit less stressed lately with that. I'm gonna go back in with Afterlight. I'm just doing so much, but yeah, just gonna go back in with Afterlight and just blend all that out. So yeah, that's what's been going on lately as to why I have not been on YouTube. I'm gonna take the color Nickel, and it's so freaking adorable. It's just this little shimmery shade right here. And I'm gonna pop that on my lid. Also, you guys, I went to go see Black Panther the weekend it came out. I went with my family, and I really liked the movie. I loved it so much. I'm not really a superhero type of movie girl, but that was actually a good movie. And I can't wait for Civil War to come out this year. So yeah, I've watched the Avengers. Well, not Avengers, Captain America Civil War, because I had a meeting. Most of you all might not know, but I'm actually getting inducted into NSCS, and I also joined, I think it's Sigma Alpha Lambda. It's an honor society. But yeah, so with NSCS we had a meeting, and we watched, after our meeting, we they gave us pizza, drinks, and chips, and we watched Captain America Civil War. I left during the movie because I had a midterm the next day and I needed to study for it, and then I had to finish a rough draft for English. But yeah, and so far it looked like a good movie. So when I came home, watched it on Netflix, and it was actually a pretty good movie. So I actually enjoyed it, and I can't wait for the other one to come out this year. I'm also waiting for what is it? Incredibles 2, because I love that movie. That's probably like the only Pixar movie I like. I can't wait for that to come out too as well. So I'm mixing Afterlight and Radar again and just blending that in. I'm just gonna take Nickel again, put that in the inner corners as well. Cute color. And then I'm gonna mix Afterlight and Radar again, put that on my lower lash line. Eyeshadow is good. I wish Afterlife, or Light, what is it called? I wish Afterlife was a bit more pigmented, but so far I like it, and I definitely like Nickel. Okay, now for the face. I am so late to the game, but I finally got one of the MAC Prep and Prom, so I got the rose one, and I'm so excited to try it. I smelled it in store, it smelled good, so yeah, I'm going to use this as my primer and as my setting spray. So far I like it. It's giving me a bit of a glow, so that's cute. Went to Sephora to get the Fenty Beauty foundation, but of course they ran out of my shade, so the lady gave me a bunch of samples. So I'm in the color 410 MAC Strobe Cream. This isn't new. I've used this plenty of times in many tutorials. You can check that out on my channel. So yeah, but it's the Strobe Cream in Peach Light. I do want to try new ones, but I just love this stuff. It makes me look all dewy. So I'm not going to take that much, probably like this much, because I do want to see how this foundation works, but I do love this stuff right here. It's amazing. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the foundation. Okay, just finished the foundation. I like how it looks. It looks really natural and matte for sure. I'm not used to matte foundations, but this actually isn't too bad. Like, that's not matte to the point to where it looks like it's super dry, but like it is matte. But it's not bad though. It looks like skin. Like, literally looks like skin. I keep looking at this mirror because like it's actually really nice. So I don't have a new concealer to try out, so I'm just going to be using my Born This Way concealer in the shade Deep Tan. That in place, I'm just going to take the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Perfecting Veil in the shade Dark to Deep. Actually going to set that all in with the MAC Prep and Prime spray. So excited for this next product. I have been looking for a bronzer that is dark enough for me, because usually when I go to stores, Ulta or something like that, I look for a bronzer, try to get matched, and nothing is dark enough for me. If anything, everything is like my shade, and I know I'm not the darkest shade. So I actually went to Target because it was closer, and I got the Black Radiance pressed powder. And I got the darkest shade. And there's plenty of shades that I probably could have gotten, but they were all sold out. And I was just so excited to try a bronzer that was dark enough for me. So this is actually in the color Black Coffee. This highlight that everybody and their mother was talking about at the beginning of the year, and I finally got it. It's the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals, and this looks so pretty. Let me swatch it. So yeah, that looks really pretty. yeah, that looks really pretty. Next, I'm gonna set my face again with the MAC Prep and Prime. Mascara, I'm just gonna take my CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers mascara. This is not a first impressions for me. I've used it. I don't have any new mascaras to try out. So, and lastly, I just have my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade, yeah, Teddy. I wore this in my Get to Know Me tag. So yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the look for the first impressions. So far I like it. I really love the foundation. The foundation is really it's amazing. It looks skin-like. It's matte, but it's not bad enough. You know, it's not matte in a like drying type of way. It's like matte to where I feel like I can wear this every day. I do like the highlighter. Like, the highlighter is amazing. Well, top three would probably be the Fenty foundation, the Wet n Wild highlighter, and then the MAC Prep and Prime spray. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I've been gone for almost a month. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm so sorry I've been so inactive lately, but I will be back, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.